Okay, so here's something that your contractor might not know. We just did this drainage system for this client, and they are having a lot of bugs. They are all over the place. So these bugs in particular are called water midges. There's two types of water midges. One is non-biting and the other is biting, but generally they're not going to harm your lawn, and at most they're mostly just annoying. And we have a ton here. So one of the things I want to do is go over a few different solutions. When it comes to having drains in your lawn, it's often a good idea because you're collecting water and moving it away so it doesn't get soggy and you don't have puddling. However, oftentimes these catch basins can hold water at the bottom. As you can see, there's water sitting here. And you might ask, like, why would you have that? Like, obviously bugs are going to be attracted to water. And that's true. So this system is designed to have a sump at the bottom. And the reason it has a sump is that it collects debris before pushing it through the drainage pipe. Now that's going to help keep your lines clearer for longer. So there is a benefit to that. However, when you have standing water like this, we probably have 2 inches maybe, that can offer a breeding ground for bugs, especially in the middle of a lawn. This is a lawn we just established. So we were watering 3 times a day, then 2 times a day. Now we're down to once a day. And the client noticed all of these bugs. And when she sent me the video,
Sarah, we have lots and lots of bugs.
They're swarming over the drainage pipe here. And unfortunately, when they're swarming like that, they're usually mating, which kind of stinks because, you know, it's a lot of bugs. They have a brand new lawn and like, why are all these bugs here? Honestly, they kind of look like little pieces of dust that just like flutter over the lawn. Again, not a huge issue for the lawn, but it is annoying for people. So we want to help find a solution. And even worst case, if we had mosquitoes in here, if you could think of having a new backyard, having mosquitoes everywhere, that would be terrible. So these catch basin from NDS actually recently came out with little punch holes on the bottom that you can actually punch out to have a little bit of water seep through. So that way you're not going to get that standing water. You still get the majority of water moving its way through the pipes, but you are going to have some seepage to the bottom so that you don't have this standing water. Now underneath, when you put this in, you want to make sure you have a little bit of gravel underneath so you get that good drainage. For this system in particular, some of them have them, some of them don't. So when I called the manufacturer, and by the way, you can just call like NDS Helpline, whether you're a contractor, a homeowner, or whatever, and they'll help you troubleshoot and have solutions. I'll actually put the phone number there because I think they're super helpful and I love having them as a resource. They suggested a 1/8 inch bit and 4 spots in each of the drains, and that will help with that seepage. So I was like, sweet, I'm gonna go take care of it, but silly me didn't think this through fully because there's no way that this drain is getting to the bottom of this, so I need to get an extension. So if you are doing this as a contractor, I highly suggest you do this before you install. Anyways, I hope that's helpful, and I guess I'll be back to drill these holes through and get rid of some of these water midges and help the client with this solution.